I am very grateful that I purchased this Garmin Enduro 2. After using it, I have to admit this watch is kind of amazing. Absolutely zero regrets with the Garmin Enduro 2. I have had many Garmin watches over the years, but trust me, this Garmin Enduro 2 is packed with a lot of specialties that were missing in other Garmin watches. Now I will review what I liked most about this Garmin Enduro 2. I am using it from quite some time. Firstly, I am really impressed by its Pace Pro technology. The technology provides pace targets for each segment of a workout or race. It can help you optimize your pace up and down the hills. Pace Pro helps maintain optimal effort by indicating whether to increase or decrease pace for each segment. Secondly, its visual race predictor is very accurate based on your running history and overall fitness level. This feature provides an estimate of what your pace could be for the distance you want to run. Trend data shows how your training is having an impact over time. You can accurately analyze how much power you are applying to the trail or the road so you can manage your effort and fine tune your training, surpassing the more general heart rate based metrics available in other Garmin watches and enabling more effective pacing strategies. Moreover, the MTB Dynamics feature of the Garmin Enduro 2 tracks key metrics specific to mountain biking, including jump count, jump distance, and grit and flow scores. It quantifies rides performance by measuring the quality of descents and technical trail features. Its endurance score accurately evaluates your capacity to maintain extended physical efforts by integrating training data from various activities. It combines factors like VO2 max, short term and long term training loads, and other metrics to assess your fitness advancements beyond mere VO2 max levels. The Climb Pro feature on the Garmin Enduro 2 provides detailed information on upcoming climbs, including elevation gain, gradient, and distance remaining. It offers real time guidance and estimates time to summit, helping athletes manage their effort during ascents. Furthermore, the Garmin Enduro 2's automatic rest timer feature tracks and logs recovery periods by automatically detecting inactivity during workouts. It provides accurate measurements of rest durations, helping athletes gauge their recovery times effectively. This feature is more advanced than those in other Garmin watches. The training status feature assesses your current fitness level by analyzing recent workouts and recovery data, presenting insights into whether you are in a state of overtraining, maintaining, or improving. It provides numerical ratings and trends based on metrics like heart rate variability and training load. Furthermore, its hill score accurately evaluates your performance on inclines by providing a numerical score that reflects your efficiency and high speed on hilly areas. It assesses factors such as pace and elevation gain, offering insights into how well you handle climbs. This feature is more advanced than those in other Garmin watches. Compared to other Garmin watches, the Garmin Enduro 2's ABC sensors, altimeter, barometer, and compass are highly accurate, offering precise altitude readings with a barometric altimeter and reliable directional guidance through its 3-axis compass. This accuracy is essential for outdoor adventurers. Furthermore, its Next 4 map guide provides trail runners and hikers with real-time distance to the next trail junction, offering precise data that can be critical during navigation. This real-time information, absent in previous Garmin models, significantly improves navigation, especially in complex trail networks. Moreover, its body battery energy monitoring uses heart rate variability, stress, and sleep data to provide a detailed assessment of your energy levels on a 0 to 100 scale. This feature is crucial for optimizing training and recovery, helping users manage exertion and avoid overtraining. Furthermore, its hydration tracking feature allows users to log daily fluid intake, offering reminders and guidance based on exercise temperature and altitude. It helps maintain optimal hydration by adjusting goals dynamically, which is critical for endurance athletes to prevent dehydration. Its safety and tracking features include incident detection, real-time location sharing, and live tracking, which can alert contacts automatically in case of an emergency. Compared to other Garmin watches, the Enduro 2 stands out with its extended battery life, ensuring these critical safety functions remain active during long distance. Its ultra run activity is very accurate, tailored for ultra endurance events, tracking rest times at 8 stations along with key metrics like pace, distance, and heart rate. This feature is vital for ultra runners, offering detailed insights to optimize performance over extreme distances. Compared to other Garmin watches, the Enduro 2 excels with accurate tracking. Its grade adjusted pace recalibrates your running pace to account for elevation changes, offering a more accurate measure of effort on hilly routes. This feature is essential for runners aiming to maintain consistent effort across very trained, ensuring more precise training and race strategies. Respiration tracking monitors your breathing rate 24/7, offering detailed insights during activities and sleep with real time data displayed in breaths per minute. This feature is crucial for athletes to assess their respiratory efficiency. Compared to other Garmin watches, the Enduro 2's superior battery life allows for uninterrupted respiration tracking during extended adventures. Its smart notifications delivers calls, texts, and app alerts directly to your wrist, ensuring you stay connected without needing to check your phone, even in remote areas. This feature is vital for staying informed while on the go, particularly during long training sessions or outdoor adventures. Its heat and altitude acclimation feature tracks your body's adaptation to environmental changes, providing metrics like acclimation status and recovery times based on your current heat and altitude exposure. This feature is crucial for athletes training in extreme conditions, helping to optimize performance and prevent overexertion.